1 to 30. No? This is a series of numbers. It's under the abstract reasoning. So we will have there the problem. Study the series of numbers given below and identify the correct answers from among the options. Okay, so we have 83, 73, 93, 63, blank, 93, 43. Okay, ano ba yung nakita nyo dyan? Okay, ano kaya yung possible answer? From 83 to 73, the relationship you can see is nag-decrease siya ng 10. 73 to 93, anong makikita mo na relationship dyan? So, nag-increase siya ng 20. Si 93 to 63, parang nonsense siya, no, kung titignan mo. Pero, pag you will see another, this 83 to 73, nag-decrease ng 10. 73 to 63, that's decrease of 10. So, dapat ang kasunod ni 63 is nag-decrease din ng 10. And kung titignan mo from here to here, the the series should be the same of the series here. So, nag-decrease din ng 10. That's why we can still get the 43. Now, what is the 93 there? If you can see, this 93 alters every 2, no? So, 83 and 73, 1, 2, 3, may 93. Dapat 1, 2, may 93 na naman. Okay? So, the answer there is 53. Hmm. Nag-alter lang siya. Let's proceed to number 2. 4, 7, 10, blank, 16, 19. So what is the relationship you can see there? 4 to 7, that's increased by 3. 7 to 10, sorry, increased by 3. So dapat the next series should increase by 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Then it increased by 3 na naman. 13 plus 3 is 16. So tama na tayo. If 13 dito, pag mag-increase ng 3 siya, we can really get 16. 16 to 19. So the series is increasing by 3 in every term. So the blank there, the number should be 13. Okay. Let's have number 23. You have U32, V29, blank, X23, Y20. Okay. If you can see, lahat ng letters from U to V, U to V, ano yung relationship? Nag-increase ng 1. Si X to Y naman, nag-increase ng 1. Ibig sabihin, if mag-move yan dyan, dapat mag-increase siya ng Y, ng 1. So, Y, ano ang kasunod niya is W. No? So, si W pag mag-increase ng 1 na naman, so kaya na X. So, dapat ang letter natin dyan is W. So, we are left with these choices 1 and 2. Kasunod naman is 32 to 29. What is the relationship? Negative 3. Kung titignan naman natin ang relationship dyan, 23 to 20. Negative 3. Ibig sabihin, the series should decrease by 3 sa numbers niya. So, 29 minus 3 is 26. Let's try to check if it's right. Kung 26 yung sagot dyan, 26 minus 3 is 23. So, tama na yung series natin. No? So, the answer should be W26. Okay. Let's have 24. F2 blank, B8, C16, B32. Okay. Kung sa F2 blank, hindi natin makikita yung relationship. So, let's move to D, C, B. Okay. D to C, that decreases in 1. So, umatras si D, kaya naging C. C to B, nag-decrease din ng 1. Ibig sabihin, the relationship ng mga um, alphabet na dyan is dapat nag-decrease ng 1. So, kung mag-decrease siya ng 1, si F, pag mag-decrease ng 1, automatic si E. Let's try if si E mag-decrease ng 1. Tama ba na si D? Okay, so tama pa rin. So the answer should start with E. We are left with 3, 4, and 5. Okay, kasunod, we cannot get the series dito pa lang kasi wala tayong bases. So we will move to here. A to 16, that's times 2. 16 to 32, that's times 2. Ibig sabihin, the relationship from here to the next, the blank, should times 2 po. So 2 times 2 is 4. Let's try to check if tama ba 8 ang maging result. 4 times 2, 8. So, ibig sabihin, the answer 4 is correct. So, the answer for this item is number 3, E4. Let's proceed to 25. The problem ZA3, Y4B, XC5, WD blank. Okay. So, titingnan natin relationship from Z to Y that decreases in 1. Diba? Si A to B, nag-increase siya ng 1. The number naman, 3 to 4, nag-increase din ng 1. Ibig sabihin, dapat Y to the first letter, dapat mag-decrease. So, X nag-decrease. So, naging X. Si B naman dapat mag-increase. So, dapat C. Okay? Ito naman mag-increase. So, kaya naging 5. But if you can see, nag-alter siya. No? Nasa end si number. Dito naman, nasa gitna. Dito nasa end. Dito nasa gitna. So, dapat the number sa blank is dapat nasa last. So, saan ba dyan ang nasa last na number? So, we have here, ito. Okay, we are left with the option 3 and 4. Now, si X nag-decrease, kaya W. C dapat should increase 1, kaya D. 5 should increase 1, kaya 6. Kung si number mag-increase ng 1, should be 7 sa last. No? Automatic, the answer there is 4. Hindi naman nag-increase si 3. No? So, wag niyo nang problemahin yung the next number, the letter. Automatic na 7. Okay? Si W kung mag-decrease siya, maging V. Mag-increase ang D. Kasunod ng D is E. Okay? So, the answer is 4. Number 26. Okay, so, para siguro hindi na lang tayo mag-break and we can finish really it by 9, no? Kasi yung schedule natin is 6 to 9. So while I'm discussing here, you can also have your dinner. Okay? Sige, let's proceed to number 26. You have there P5QR, P4QS, P3QT, blank, P1QV. You can see si Q is as is siya for all terms. And dapat ikatlo siya. So, kung titignan natin dyan, dapat katlo si, ano ba? Si Q. No? So, ito, hindi na to pwede. Ito, hindi na pwede. Ito, hindi na pwede. Ito, hindi na pwede. Automatic si number 3. Pero kung gusto nyo talaga siyang isolve, ang titignan yung relationship niya, you can do that. But kung gusto nyo mas madali yung titignan, no? You can see kung ano na lang yung relationship para hindi na mag-take long for that number. Pero kung titignan natin yung series niya, P is as is for everything, no? Always may P, so dapat P. So dapat nakalagay si P, ikatlo si Q. Okay, so you are left with dalawa dito. So makikita mo na agad-agad yung series niya. So no need to ano talaga. Pero if you want to see the series, let's try to see. 5 to 4, that's decreases by 1. So, dapat 4, 3. Dapat ang kasunod is 2. Okay? 2, 1. Dito naman, nag-increase R, S, T, U, V. Okay, so dapat dito si U. Mm? But if you want to make it easy, just try to look sa series niya. Oh, sa Q pa lang, wala nang ibang sagot. That's number 3. Okay, but kung meron pa diyang other option na ikatlo si Q, that's why you need to proceed with the other na nakita mo na series niya. Pero kung nakita mo agad, so no need to take time para hindi masayang yung oras. Let's proceed to 27. J14, L16. Yes, no? So, my advice dito to write the letters, yes. You can actually do that, no? Pag ganito, then may mga letters para guided kayo at hindi yung kailangan parang i-memorize nyo pa. Write the alphabet, A, B, C, D. Ilagay nyo lahat, then makikita mo na lang doon yung relationship. Okay, nag-jump siya ng isa or nag-add lang ng isa para hindi kayo malito. That's nice. No, yeah, nice yan na technique. We have problem J14, L16, and 18, P20, R, blank pala blank, P20, R22. Okay, so let's try to see, no? Kung lagay nyo yan lahat ng alphabet dyan, so madali na lang yan. So nag-add up lang yung lahat ng letter J to L. You can see that nag-jump 1 lang siya. P to R, no? Jump 1 lang din siya. So, kailangan dito, dapat kasunod, jump lang siya. So, J, para makita nyo yung alphabet. Para hindi na kayo mahirapan, ilagay nyo lang lahat ng letters. I-add, lagay nyo lang lahat ng letters para makita mo yung um, relationship niya. So, dito nag-jump siya si J, K, L, no? P, Q, R. So, parang nag-lap siya, nag-jump siya ng 1. So, dapat mag-jump ito ng 1, L, M, dapat ang kasunod is N. Okay? N, O, P. Okay? So, we have there N dapat. So, saan dyan ang may N? Automatic si number 2. So, kung makita nyo na agad and walang ibang option na pwedeng maging kalaban niya. So, automatic yan na yun. Dito naman, 14, 16, 18, 22, ay 2022, nag-add up lang ng 2. Okay. Let's proceed to 28. 664, 332, 340, 170, 178, 89. Blank 89. So, the relationship 664 to 332, no? Parang dinivide lang siya by 2. 332 to 340, the relationship you can see is nag-increase siya ng 8. 340 to 170, ano naman, divided by 2. So, ibig sabihin, kung nag-add 8 siya, dapat dito mag-add 8 din tayo. So, 170 plus 8, then we can get 178. 178 divided by 2, then the answer is 89. Okay, so correct tayo dito. Ibig sabihin, tama yung sagot natin ng 178. 29, 70, 71, 76, 77, blank 83, 88. So what is the relationship you can see there? 70 to 71, that's 1. 71 to 76, that's 5. And the series goes plus 1, plus 5, plus 1, plus 5. Now 77 plus 5, get there 82. Or you can also see the other series. So you can also see the other series kung hindi ganyan yung nakita mo na plus 1, plus 5, plus 1, plus 5, plus 1, plus 5. You can see nag-jump up siya from 70 to 76, that plus 6. 71 to 77 plus 6. Ibig sabihin, itong si 76 to the blank should be plus 6. Kaya 82. This 77 to here is plus 6, kaya ito dapat plus 6, no? You can still get the correct answer, 82, no? To whatever series na nakita mo. Pag may nakita ka na, automatic yung ang sagot mo and wala siyang ibang nag-start ng 80 dyan. Okay, so yun na yung sagot, no? Don't spend a lot of time to question na obvious na yung sagot para hindi maubos yung time nyo. Let's have number 30. 8, 43, 11, 41, blank, 39, 17. So what relationship can we see? No? 8 to 43 parang ang laki na ng gap. So let's try it by jumping to the next. 8 to 11, that's plus 3, while 430 to 41 minus 2. So, ibig sabihin, kung titignan natin yung mga maliit na number, everything is plus 3. So, dapat yan, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Let's try if 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14, 14. Let's check if tama ba si 14, makakuha ba tayo pag i-plus 3 natin na 17. 14 plus 3, tama? So, ibig sabihin, the answer here is correct, 14. Okay, now let's proceed to this one. Identify the next missing figure. Let's try to identify ano kaya ang kasunod. 41 to 82, 84 to 255. Ano dapat siya ang kasunod? So, we can see the relationship 41 to 84, that is times 2 plus 2. No? Times 2, that is 82 plus 2, kaya naging 84. Next naman, 84 to 255, ano kaya ang relationship niya? That's just times 3. Then we can get there 252.
Number 5 ata ang answer nito, ma'am.
Hmm? Titignan natin ha. So, 255, no? Plus ay 252 plus 3. Then, the answer there is 255. So, dapat dito times 4 plus 4. 255 times 4 plus 4. So, the answer is 1,024. Okay. Ay, mali yung na-circle. Dapat ito. 1,024. Okay, tama. Number 5. Okay, so mali yung circle. Ito yung sagot. 1,024. So the relationship there is times 2 plus 2 times 3 plus 3 times 4 plus 4. The answer is 1,024. Now let's proceed to 32. 1.5, 2.3, 3, blank. So ano yung relationship? If you will try to see 1.5 to 2.3, that is increase of 0.8. Ito naman increase of 0.7. So kung titignan natin from 0.8 to 0.7, that decrease of 0.1, di ba? So dapat dito ang kasunod should decrease by 0.1. So yung 0.7 dyan dapat maging 0.6, which is add up to 3. The answer should be 3.6. 3.6. Okay, let's proceed to the next number, 33. So we have there 2Z10, 4W12, 6014, and blank. So ano ba dapat ang next dito? We will try to see, may 12 sa baba, 16, and 20. The relationship of 12 to 16 is plus 4. 16 to 20 plus 4. So dapat ang kasunod, 20 plus 4, 24. So we are left with option 4 and 5. So saan kaya ang tama dyan? We will see there. Ito 2 to 4, that increase of 2. No? 2 to 4, that is increase of 2. 4 to 6, increase of 2. So dapat increase of 2, 8. Pareho naman silang dalawa. Let's have here Z, decrease of 2. Umatras siya ng dalawa. So, naging W. No, it's better really to write the alphabet para madali nyo na lang siyang titignan kung ilan ba yung atras niya or yung ano niya, add up niya. Okay? W2T decrease by 2. So, dapat ang kasunod naman dyan should be Q. So, we are still, so, hindi pa natin alam kung dapat ba si 24 or 16 ang kasunod. So, now we will left with 10 to 12, that increase of 2. 12 to 14, increase of 2. Then the next should increase by 2. 14 plus 2 should be 16. The answer here is number 5. Now, 34. We have here 5 over 40, 48 over 32, 28 over 16, and 42, a blank over 41. So, what should be the answer for the blank here? No? Nilagyan ko na. What should be the answer for the blank there? No, kung titingnan natin, 50 to 48, then naging 28, parang wala siyang relationship. 40 to 32, then naging 16, then naging 21. So, hindi mo makita yung relationship niya. So, let's try to get the value of 50 over 40, which is 1 and 0.25. 48 over 32 is 1.5. This one is 1.75. Ibig sabihin, it all increases by 0.25. So, this from here is 0.25, increase by 0.25. This should increase by 0.25, 1.75 plus 0.25, no? The quotient should be 2. No? So how to get the quotient with 2 given this one? So the numbers, multiply mo lang yan. 21 times 2, we can get 42. Okay? So the answer there is number 5, 42. Okay, here we have BDF and 13, 26 and HJL, NPR and 39. So what should be the next? Kung titignan natin to, nag-ano lang siya, lump of one, no? 'Di ba? B, C, D, E, F. So parang B, D, F. So H, J, L, no? So mas mabuti kung ilalagay na lang natin, isusulat na lang natin siya agad. So dito naman N, P, R, 'di ba? So the next should be PVX. So we have here, ito naman 13 plus 13 is 26. The relationship niya, ito nag-increase ng 13. We have 39. So plus 13 should be 52. So the answer is number 1. You can see it kung ngayon, kung may sinulat kayo dyan, no, you can see the relationship of the letters. Lagay nyo na lang para makita nyo yung ano yan, jump off niya. Okay.